Lithi iBhayibheli abantwana baka-Israyeli basuka noMose eGibhithe base olwandle olubovu banoMose. Kodwa kufika lapho uNkulunkulu embulala khona uMose bengakafiki ezweni lesethembiso. Lithi iBhayibheli abantwana baka-Israyeli balila iy'nsika ezingama30 belilela uMose. Ithende mangabe selithi uNkulunkulu wabonakala kuJoshua indodana kaNuni, isikhonzi sikaMose, ethi akathathe abantwana baka-Israyeli abaweze iJordani ayobafaka ezweni lesethembiso. Mawuya kuMateyu 5 verse 4 uthi, bless those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Ekuseni nje in order to have what others do not have, do what others do not do. Sanibonani.